Assalamu alaikum fellows. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim and today I will tell you how to make poster from Canva. So let's jump into it. So now we are in our screen and now I will show you the Canva. You have just search canva.com here and log in it or create sign up over here. I will give the link in description and you have to search Ravi River over here. Just Ravi River over here. You go in images and now I will tell you how to for example this is my I will select this. You will download it. I have already made it, so I will just show you. So you will now create such poster over. This is the design I made. Rivers are dying because of you, and now just we have to open it in new tab, and I will show you how to make like this poster. So you will search here poster. It will also. So you will search poster here. Just search the poster and click it. There will be many templates over here, but you will select what it is. So there are so many poster templates, but you have to create a blank poster. You have just I have so you will go on. I am so much. You will I have opened this and I will show you how to make this design. So this is the design I will make poster, and you have to just go over the search poster, enter, just search poster, enter, create a blank poster, click the blank poster. Now the blank poster would be here, and now I will show you how to make this. I am making it for my school. This is so the font is Bukhari script. You have to just go download this, upload it in here. I have upload. When it will be drag from here and go to here, and it will come over here and set. Let me show you now. You will not understand like this. You will download this, click on save image as, save image as. You can write any name over here. I have downloaded it. I will download again for you guys. So now it is downloading, and now it will be come over here. This is the file, and now you will drag and drop to here. It will upload like this, and you will select this, and you will set image as background. Then you will go to text, give a heading. Now you will select the fonts. I recommend you the font I used. So you can write anything over here. Rivers are I am turning on the uh, rivers are dying, dying like this. Rivers are dying because of you. Rivers are dying be- because of you. Se- Select the font, green font, green color of the font, like this. Drag it to here. Then select. Then so please don't litter in the river. You can write anything. So I will just so do not litter in in rivers. I will select the font Open Sans Carter one. Sorry, do not litter in rivers, and I will select its color green. Yes. I will select its color blue. Yes, blue. I will drag and for your the school you can write your name. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim 60. By the way, I will give this link in the description, and you can also get it from here, and you can make things like make the poster like me. So now this is was our video. I hope you liked it and you learned a lot. Allah Hafiz guys, and please make to subscribe and like to this channel. Bye bye guys.